Welcome to Dexter Cichlid channel. This is a video of red shoulder peacock male trying to defend his territory against electric yellow. So this is a 55-gallon tank. It's a new tank set up a couple of months back with basically all peacocks coming from different sources. So it's been established for 2 months, and the red shoulder has been the dominant peacock in the tank. The German red is a smaller one, but he's still getting his full color and he's trying to show off his colors. But the red shoulder has been the dominant one despite the blue dolphins. So today we introduced the electric yellow lab, best possible Mabuna we can introduce into any peacock tank. But the one thing we have to watch out is when we introduce something like electric yellow into a peacock tank, you have to look at the particular male, the electrical male, just to make sure that he's not overly aggressive. Most of the electricals are not aggressive. Sometimes it can be in individual cases there can be more aggression. So we introduced this male along with some females. He's a medium-sized male, and he seems to be not bothered by the peacock, but the red shoulder has been trying to dominate and maybe show his dominance in this tank. The red shoulder is treating him similar to another male peacock, probably the bright yellow color, and it's kind of his breeding display, just to show his aggression to the other males. But the electrical yellow is not moved. If you notice one thing, the Buna cichlids have razor sharp teeth, whereas peacocks don't have it. So usually when they fight, they go lip locking and fighting, whereas the peacocks really can't do that. Peacocks usually do more damage by chasing or biting tail, but they rarely do the locking their mouth and fighting, which is a trademark of their Buna cichlids. So yeah, the peacock is trying to show him and maybe make him run away from the cave, but the electrical load doesn't want to buzz. So let's watch it. As you can see, this display went on for maybe a couple of hours. At one point, the electrical started to put off little fight, trying to just chase the peacock away. And eventually, the peacock realized I think he's not matched for the electrical loop, and he left him alone. And after that, one evening, I think the things have been calm. Each other don't cross their path. Electrical still shows the dominance. He takes up any cave he wants, whereas the peacock usually doesn't want any cave, so he stays away. He still tries to bully around with other peacocks, but as soon as the electrical comes near him, he just calms down and just moves away. So yeah, it's been going fine with the tank. We'll post more updates with some more males. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel to get more videos. Thank you.